2. Alright, so today we're actually looking at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is actually showing some type of liquidity zone movement right here, as y'all can see. First, it already had a wick, like it closed above my liquidity zone, like I marked up on my trigger view. It doesn't really show up on here, but I can make the line for y'all real quick. But basically, this is a zone right here, like it rejected off of it for the one time and actually went straight bullish, which market is already bullish on the 1 hour, 4 hour, the days. So Bitcoin's already going up, especially when news coming out saying that Bitcoin is actually official primary pair for retirement now. So that meaning of Bitcoin is an option for people with retirement funds to put their money into Bitcoin rather than putting it into a F1 or a 401k. And so companies are actually offering this for an alternative for a retirement plan. And now Bitcoin is actually now an official pair, and now everything is going. It's just Bitcoin is just going straight up for 2024 because the demand for Bitcoin is going up, but the supply of Bitcoin is staying the same. So people are gonna have to risk more money. Bitcoin's become more limited. Bitcoin's gonna become more lucrative for long-term investment. So with that being said, market just closed with the candlestick above my line right here, which is giving me confirmation for a quick 101 buy if I could take that. So I probably would just target these highs right here, or target this zone right here, just for a quick 101. But I can also leave a runner to go for the most recent high, because I'm already knowing that market wants to come up to that zone. So market's already showing confluence and it wants to go up to the zone. It doesn't want to just keep going down, and there's no reason for Bitcoin to even be going down. It might try to wait down, might try to make some confluence, but at the end of the day, it's gonna go back up because Bitcoin is on a major rise right now for the last couple of days. So I'm not finna just be going against that market. I'm not finna fight that. I'm gonna just go with the trend. I'm going with the flow. Wherever the wave take me, that's where I'm going. So yeah, that's what it's showing on Bitcoin right now. The other chart that I'm actually looking at right now actually is AU, because AU is showing. If I can pull this up for y'all. Yeah, AU is showing another liquidity zone on the buy. So yeah, this top part on the buy is showing. Yeah, this top part on the buy is already meeting up here right now. It's rejected twice already. Actually I can show y'all real quick. On the 4 hour, market is actually surprisingly bearish. Market is bearish. It's breaking these lows. Each low is getting taken out. And right here is the exact same thing is more likely going to happen. The low is going to be taken out, or these lows still got to be taken out since market is still bearish. So I'm not even going to be trying to fight market structure here. If it does reject off of this zone, that will give me some type of confirmation to get in for a sale. And I can get a nice little put and do a quick 101 where I can put that in. Like if I get an entry right here, I can do a 101 right here, put my stop loss on top of this zone right here, which more likely that would be my stop loss up here, and I'll just write that down. But yeah, that's how AU's looking right now. Those are the only two charts I'm actually looking at. Since my first video was a fail, we're gonna actually try to make that shit back today. Market is already yes, it's Friday. It's already 9:50, so it's already a dangerous time to start trading. But it doesn't mean that you can't trade at this time. Like I usually trade around 7 to like 11. 7 and 11. Like I say most of my trades are from 7 to 9. But from 9 to 11, I definitely still look at the market because setups can still be taken, setups are still being made, zones are still being met, and they're being supported. So all that doesn't even matter. It's whenever the market actually just decides to close, and then you're done for the week, and then you can only do some certain type of indexes, pairs for the weekend that are open. So yeah, we're looking at these charts. We're gonna get back with y'all. I'm gonna get back with y'all whenever I actually put my entry in. I'm just cut to it, And then yeah, y'all can see my thought process. Y'all can see my facial expressions. Y'all can see how I actually take this trade and how yeah, basically showing my discipline, showing my type of what I see in the market, and help y'all see what I see. So I'm gonna get back with y'all and appreciate y'all for tuning in for real. Make sure y'all hit that sub button. Make sure y'all hit a like because this series is going up. I'm posting consistently for this week. I am in college, but I'm not finna let that stop me from posting what I actually want to post. And we go get this content rolling. So I'll be right back with y'all. So yeah, I just did two entries real quick. We're gonna try to just go for a quick 1-on-1. Target these lows down here. So this is what we got on Bitcoin right now. It's actually showing bullish movement with the supply and demand setup right here. Also in the setup, it's showing with the trend line setup that I have set up right here. Has respected the line on each line with the candlestick closing. I'm also using Fibonacci right now just for taking this for the long run. I was trying to make this a 1-2 setup, but if I make this a 1-1, then I'm walking away happy. But yeah, this is what Bitcoin is showing right now. We got liquidity on the very bottom right here. So on the 15 minute on the Bitcoin, there's also a demand zone that it has met and rejected twice off of it, and it will actually go to the 5 minute right now. You can see that charts is actually making a trend line. So yeah, so Bitcoin is also making a trend line setup where it also rejected off of. Let me actually drop that. Let me drop that go bigger so y'all can really see what I'm talking about. So yeah, they made a trend line setup right here, and it already rejected off of it. Only thing that it's waiting on for this to really take off is if I go to the 1 minute right now, I can show y'all. So on the 1 minute is the recent high of the previous minute. So I can go ahead and mark this up. So yeah, this zone, this is the previous high. It needs to break this zone in order for this to be a completely valid setup for it to take off. But even then, even if it comes right down here, I still have a stop loss right below it. Even if it comes down here, it's still going to be a squeeze setup between this trend line and here. And as soon as it breaks the trend line, that'll be confirmation to get out, cut my losses. Don't even try to get there. I try for the next time. But since I can squeeze this out, it's gonna have to squeeze back up into this demand zone and see and eventually break out in this zone. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back to the 5 minute right now and just watch how it moves, and y'all just gonna be right with me. go. Come on, keep pushing. I need this candle to close. Once this candle closes, it's confirmation for it to keep going bullish. Yes, sir. There we go. Finally got first candle that closed above this zone. Give me confirmation to hold this. Riding this out. Yeah, so far this trade is looking pretty good. It hit my TP1. So that was a good 1-to-1. I left one runner, which is this one right here. And I might even have to move my take profit just because it does have these highs up here that it does eventually have to reach. And market is bullish right now, so it would give me, I am pretty confident to hold on to it. But I am a man that's content with, or trader that's really just content with my profits. Because last time I posted, it was an L, and nobody likes L. And I'm making that back right now if I get out right now. So I don't want to be too greedy. More likely I am going to probably just get out and just be over 100 and just wait for tomorrow. So far, it's not showing me any type of other type of confluence. So yeah, everything's looking good. Yeah, so if this 1 minute candle closes below this, I'm gonna get out. Yeah, it didn't close. It actually didn't close below it, even though that candle or that trend line is very crooked. Yeah, it actually didn't close, so I really can't stay in it. I have a reason to stay in it. Where this line becomes support, that's what it's basically trying to show me. And that candle doesn't close until 3 more minutes. And honestly, I'm not gonna be waiting 3 more minutes in this market. Yeah, I'm not really content to wait 3 more minutes. Unless it shows me movement that I want to see. I'm gonna get out. Yeah, not a fan of that movement. I'm already knowing it's gonna go down, but I'm not knowing how far down. I'd rather just take my profits. But yeah, so today it was successful with Bitcoin. Great trades, great entries. Yeah, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, and I really do appreciate y'all watching this journey. We running it up to all 2024. I'm posting consistently, and yeah, so let's get to it. Y'all have a good one. Y'all stay blessed. I'm out of here.